Volcano Bay Day.
Yeah.
We've just missed the coach. It's the first time we've ever come down to the bus stop and there isn't one here. Well,
it was one year, but you were walking like a granddad.
I was walking too slow. I am carrying me morning coffee and a big bag.
And a big bag.
Are you excited for a bit of Volcano Bay?
Yeah.
A bit of a chill day. Well, it's been shut, hasn't it, for the last 2 days?
Yeah, I don't know why.
And we don't know why. So have they done something to it? Maybe. Bit of refurb? We shall find out. And then tonight, we are going to Lyla's favourite restaurant, the Cowfish. I had a salad there last year and it was so nice. But I think, I'm guessing about 5 or 10 minutes on the coach from here. See how long we can hack it there for. It's not too hot today. And I don't want to get any more sunburn than I already have. That was a 10-minute trip in the coach to Volcano Bay. Do security now. Go and put our bags away. Let's go have some fun. Okay, we've got the tapoos on. Sam's on, Alfie's on, Lyla's on, mine is on. Isn't it lovely?
Look at the wait time.
Yeah. Where are the wait times? Over here?
Yeah. We only just wait all any time. No wait time.
Oh right, nice. I don't think Sam wants to be anywhere near the sand.
No, I want to touch the water so I can see the kids.
Yeah, I know. Just filled a cup up, $12 for the day. Save for spending loads of money on drink. And I've just spotted Alfie and Lyla. Quite far out, the little tinkers are. Over there. Ooh, it's not the warmest. God. Ooh. Oh, Lyla's looking after him. She's holding him. Are you looking after him? Oh. Absolutely gutted in Volcano Bay today. What happens? My GoPro packs in. So that's the end of that footage. And I can't believe I can see Sam wearing a hoodie, Lyla wearing a hoodie, and Alfie wearing a hoodie.
It's cold.
But we're off now to... Where are we going? Cowfish for food, and I think I know what I'm having. Same as I had last year, a salad. But we'll see if that happens. If you have any now, yeah. Sam has got shorts on, Lyla's got shorts on, and sorry, Alfie's got shorts on. Surprise, surprise, Lyla's got leggings on again. But yes, I think it'll be a salad for me. Or will they have a burger? I don't know. We're not taking all them, are we?
Well, yeah, just in case.
Oh, okay. See you.
Never know.
Sam thinks that she's found the quickest walkway to get to the coaches, cutting through the pool. Can't believe the pool's still going at 7:45 at night. Who wants to be around a pool at this time? Not me. Well, we've finally got drinks, Alfie's milkshake. And he always lets his sister have a taste, doesn't he?
Can't even get any.
He's such a good little boy. Sam's on the wine.
I've almost done it. I've done it halfway.
And I've got my Bud. I'm hoping it's Bud Light. With all these calories I'm consuming. So some of the food's just arrived. Lila's food. It's dead nice. What was that called?
That's what I had last year. It was, what's it called, Lyla? The Cowfish bento box or something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
That burger was dead nice last time.
Yeah. And Alfie's had a kid's meal, haven't you?
Something you ketchup
And the mac and cheese, and your fries, and you got your carrots. And you ate that last year as well, did you? Oh, thank you.
The salad's there.
And I got my Chinese chicken salad. Is that all you've got?
And them,
But
yeah.
you're going to share them with me?
Yeah.
You best do, because you look too nice not to share. I really enjoyed that.
I did too.
And I am full. And it's good that the kids have still got food and they're struggling to eat it. It's just I just don't like the price. Amount due 121.
And then the tip.
The tip on top, innit? I really hope I can have a Voodoo Donuts for pudding. Still not had one yet. It's always dead busy at night. Hopefully tonight's the night. Oh, what are we picking? Ooh, I like that one. The ODB, is it?
I think I had that pink and blue one
I
last
think you
time.
did, yeah. Truffles. Oh, God. These two in a minute coming up just like that.
Should we have to choose?
I'm happy to choose that one that I just saw. I'll tell you. Is it an ODB or something like that?
Yeah.
First one of the holiday for me. Oh, look at it as well. It's an ODB, whatever that is.
I don't know how you can eat that. Well, I'm
it's
so
Oreos.
full from.
It's got Oreos on it.
I'm so full from Cowfish eating a
Oh, you
donut.
have the, Lyla have the first bite. Got it?
Peanut butter. Hey.
I thought we best end the vlog. Tomorrow, it's a Disney day. Get up early. Sam's going to pack the suitcases, but, you know, obviously I'll help her, as I always do. Go to Disney Pop, check in, and we've got 2 nights, haven't we?
Yeah.
And that's going to be really good, just to be in the Disney bubble, as Sam calls it. But keep watching, because after today, I couldn't vlog much today with my GoPro packing in. But hopefully, there's some good stuff to come your way. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you keep watching, you might see my face and my chest and everything else. Just get more redder.